Everyone, hope you are doing well. In today's video, we will learn a prime number program, that is to check whether the number is prime number or not. So we will see. First of all, we all know what is prime number, right? So prime number is a natural number greater than 1 that has no positive divisors. So other than 1 and itself. So we can say simply like that a prime number can only divided evenly by 1 and number itself. So in simple words, we can say that a number which is divisible by 1 and itself is known as prime number, right? So, yeah, this is the prime number program. In this, we have the total overall program is like three steps. So, first of all, that is the input. That is, here we are entering a number that the program takes an integer input from the user, right? So, then prime check here the number is a prime or not. This is a predefined method. So then returning false for number less than or equal to 0 here. So then looping through all the numbers from 2 to the square root of the number to check for divisibility. So if the number is divisible by any other these values, it is not a prime number. So here we will print that. So yeah, this is the program, and we will see what the output and all. We'll see line by line first. Yeah. First here import java.util.scanner. So this is the scanner class to take user input. So here we are importing the scanner class. And here this is the public class prime number program, right? So this defines a class, prime number program. The class is a container for all the code that will be executed. We all know what is a class, right? So public static void means string array args. So this is the main method, which is the entry point of the program. This is where the execution starts when you run the program. So yeah, here scanner equal to new scanner of system.in. So a scanner object named scanner is created to read user input from the console, in the sense keyboard, right? So yeah, taking input from the user, right? So here we are printing the statement system.out.println and enter a number. So yeah, this line prints a message on the screen asking the user to enter a number, right? So here int number equal to scanner dot next int of. So this reads an integer input from the user and stores it into the variable called number, right? So yeah, then check if the number is prime or not. So here we are using this if else condition. So if is prime of number, so this line calls the is prime method, which is defined later, so like which is defined in this. Yeah, to check if the enter number is prime. If the number is prime, the if block will be execute. So that is a prime number. Yeah, if the prime number, if the number is prime as written by prime, then the line will be print out the number is prime. So then here else block. So this is the else block which is executed if the number is not prime. So system.out.println of number. Yeah, if the number is not prime, this line will print the number is not prime, right? So scanner dot close off. So the this closes the scanner object to prevent memory leakages. So it is a good practice to close the scanner after it's no longer needed, right? So yeah. So here we will close that main method, and public static boolean is prime of int num. So yeah, this is the method. So this defines is prime method, which takes an integer num as a parameter and returns a boolean value, that is true or false, so indicating whether the number is prime or not, like that. So if num less than or equal to 1, return false. So here this checks if the number is less than or equal to 1, since 0 and 1 are not prime numbers, right? So it returns false for these cases. For int I equal to 2, I less than or equal to mat the dot square root of num I plus plus. So this for loop starts with I equal to 2, right? So and continues up to the square root of the number, that is mat dot square root of num. So because if the number is divisible by any number greater than its a square root, it would already have been divided by smaller number, right? So this is an optimization to reduce unnecessary checks. So then if number modulo I equal to 0, here we will print return false. So if divisible by any other any other number other than 1 in itself, so if num is divisible by I, that is the remainder of num divided by I is 0, right? So then num is not prime in this case and the method returns false. So here we'll close the for loop, and here we will print return true. So if no devices were found, that is the loop didn't return false. This method returns true, indicating that the number is prime. So here this is closes the is prime method, and here this closes the prime num checker class. So yeah, that's all about this is the program, whether the checking the number is a prime or not. So we will see what's the output. We'll run the save the program and run the program. We'll see what the output. Save, run. For example, if we enter the 24, so it is not a prime number like that.